Hello students, Um, this class is for the chapter Biomolecules. In this, I'm going to explain about the structure of glucose. Glucose or the structure solid. I'm going to say some 6 things about glucose. Okay, glucose or the molecular formula is C6H12O6. The open cyclic chain structure are possible. Okay, so first open chain structure பார்த்துக்கலாம் 1 2 3 4 5 6 carbons are there in glucose. The main functional group is aldehyde, which is there in the first carbon. So I'm writing it as first, and this is 2 3 4 5 and 6. And the other functional groups are hydroxy groups. So in the last carbon, it is CH2OH. In the second, third, fourth, and fifth carbon, you have hydroxy groups. In the third carbon, you have it on the left side. In the fourth and fifth, you have it on the right side. So this is the structure of glucose. So you could see 6 carbons are there, 12 hydrogens are there, and 6 oxygen is there. Okay, so now I'm going to say some 6 things about glucose structure. Okay, sixth thing is it has 6 carbon. Glucose is having 6 carbon, so R carbon irukku. So that is the sixth thing. Fifth thing is it has 5 hydroxy groups. You could see 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 hydroxy thing uh, groups are there, so that is also done. 4. What is for 4? You have 4 chiral carbons. So where are the chiral carbons? I will mark it with yellow. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The first and last carbon are not chiral carbons. Here you have C double bond O, so it cannot be chiral. And here in the last carbon, you have 2 hydrogen attached to the same carbon, so that is also not chiral. So second carbon, third, fourth, fifth carbons are chiral carbons. If you see the second carbon, it is attached to hydroxy group, hydrogen group, an aldehyde group, and this remaining part of glucose molecule. So 4 different groups இருக்கிறதுனால we can say it is chiral. Likewise, this is also chiral, this is also chiral, and this is also chiral. So you have your hydroxy group, hydrogen group, and this carbon with hydroxy group, and the remaining part of the molecule. So you have 4 chiral carbons. So I am taking it. 3. What is for 3? Third position of carbon. Okay, so it has hydroxy group in the left side. Okay, so the position of the hydroxy group in left and right side plays a very crucial role. The மாத்தி போட்டா it is not even glucose. Okay, it could be some other compound. So third carbonல hydroxy group இருக்குதுன்றத left sideல இருக்குதுன்றத நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். So I'm writing this side as left and this side as right. Okay, now 2. You have 2 isomers possible for this glucose molecule. Okay, that is understood by the cyclic structure of glucose, where the 2 isomers are alpha and beta. I'm directly giving it later in the cyclic structure of the paklam. Okay, you have 2 isomers, alpha isomer and beta isomer. And what is for one? You have one aldehyde group. Only one aldehyde group is there, and that too is in the first position. So these are the 6 things about glucose. So இது ஒரு clear understanding, and you have reactions of glucose. So அதுவும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 6 reactions இருக்கு. So side by side அதையும் ஒரு சின்ன glance பார்த்துடலாம். Okay, you have reaction of glucose with HI, you have reaction of glucose with hydroxylamine, you have reaction of glucose with HCN, you have reaction of glucose with bromine water, you have reaction of glucose with the concentrated HNO3, and you have reaction of uh, glucose with acetic anhydride. Okay, so that is CH3CO twice O. Okay, so these six reactions are also important. So six carbon glucose idea is very easy to recall. Okay, so with this you can able to understand the structure of glucose which comes in